you? Welcome back to RC Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. So as we discussed in the last video, I went to the groundbreaking ceremony for Montego Bay Perimeter Road, and on my way there and back I saw a few interesting developments that I wanted to share with you. From a glimpse of the airport runway project to some work at the parade, a beautiful addition to the clock area, and something I go on over at Harmony Beach Park, plus a few other tidbits. So come with me now, let's get into it. So first, I saw this well-stocked stall at Sharpe Square, and I had to say hi to the owner, took a look at what he had to offer, and yeah.
Stand back and get all of it.
Yes, stand back and get everything.
Hey driver, mind you scratch this, you know.
Yes. Yeah, stuff over here, so.
Everything there.
And it's on a bike, so you can move it.
That's right, it's called the moving store, no window, no door. Come over here and have a look at this. See it right there? The store that has no windows or no doors.
No windows and doors.
That's right.
Everything.
Yeah.
Glasses, masks, all type of masks,
Gloves,
hats,
socks,
gloves, socks.
Reading glass, shades.
Reading glasses, shades,
Earphone,
flashlight.
charger.
All of these little tassels, key rings,
hats,
belts.
A pump.
Yes, sir.
There you've got the phone holders up there.
Oh, yes.
And then you have the balaclavas up there.
Alright. Alright, thanks. Me know you probably not go on the panel, so me know what I put in a video.
Well, no, you have a
You never know. Alright.
Take care.
You too. You can see they are doing the renovation that I told you guys about last year at the parade of the fountain. They took down the boards, the electric boards. Look like they got the fountain. Yep. Waiting till you pass. Right here in front of the Civic Center. So this looks like they've removed the boards and placed them over this side. So they've changed the location of the boards from around the fountain, and they're now placed right here. Okay. So it looks from this side. On my way to the groundbreaking ceremony, I was able to see the work being done on the Sangster International Airport runway project. This got me excited to record and share with you guys. But guess what? It got even better because a taxi driver had to drop someone off over at White House, the same place I did a walk with me last year. Check out this video to see how this entire area looked before. So a lot of work is going on this side, as you can see. And remember, a taxi me inna, people need to go to work, and me need to get to the groundbreaking ceremony. We're late for already, so no, I can't stop to get a better view. This is it. The Prime Minister even made reference to the airport runway project in his speech at the groundbreaking ceremony. Here's a snippet of it.
Add to that the 70 million that we are spending on the expansion of the Donald Sangster International Airport. You will see that we are putting in some serious money in infrastructure in the Western area.
Then on my way back in town while driving on Top Road, I saw this big orange and green bounce about looking thing in the water. So as soon as I hop out of the taxi, I went over to Harmony Beach Park to see what's up. Look at this. Okay, on my way back from what them call it there, on my way back from Rosal End, I see this up on Top Road. I just had to come and check it out. So you come over to Harmony Beach Park, and I don't know what it's set up for. I so need to ask. And it looks like another type of entertainment is coming to Harmony Beach Park. Probably something we're gonna have to pay for, but this looks like holy fun. The white man, they open it up. Yeah, this is Harmony Beach Park. Yeah. More know too, and then cordon out the area.
Step one.
That's one of them.
Gonna rise in the sun.
There's more
Step
down
two,
this side.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3. Grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4. Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
They look nice.
Wake up,
Me like
today's gonna
it.
be a good day.
Look pretty. I wonder what it smells like. Hold on, I'm smelling. It smells like nothing. And I'm gonna pick it. I'm gonna pick it because it looks interesting. And this is a tree. Those are the buds. I have no idea. But hop on over to this next video to watch the groundbreaking ceremony for the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, and don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe before you go. See you in the next